The Elsie 199 by Cheney Constructions could be the versatile and compact home of your dreams. The heart of the home features an open-plan kitchen, dining and family area, plus an easy-to-access bathroom, offering ultimate convenience. 4 generous bedrooms line one side of the home, with the master bedroom located at the rear, the perfect place to unwind after a long day. The master contains a walk-through robe that flows perfectly into the ensuite. Elegant yet functional, there are many clever storage solutions contained throughout the home design. Explore the Elsie 199 at the North Harbour Display Village.